Sis in the well. Plot summary. While Sis is showing off, dancing around the top of a well, she slips and falls into the water. Ed the dog, Will the elephant, Nan the parrot, and Ann the giraffe all try to rescue her, but have no luck. Sam finally thinks of using a bucket, and Matt provides one. It is Matt who succeeds in pulling Sis out of the well.
I am Sis. See me on the well.
Sis fell in the well.
Sis fell in it. She needs me.
Ed, see me in the well.
Will sees the well. Will sees Ed.
I see Sis. She needs us. We need Nan. Nan, Sis fell in the well.
Did she? Let me see.
We need Ann. Sis is in the well.
I see Sis. She needs us.
Sis is in the well. She is mad, Sam. She needs me. Matt, we need that. Sis, she is in it. She is with us.